Wildlife Project. My research questions. Is the temperature of Glade Run Creek healthy enough for fish and other mammals? What is the life cycle of the mayfly? What different types of salamanders are at the middle school? How many different types of trees are here at the middle school? Water temperature. My procedure for water temperature was to look at websites to find information as well as recording the water temperature of Glade Run Creek. Results for water temperature. On October 1st, the water temperature of Glade Run Creek was 15 degrees Celsius, and on October 6th, the water temperature of Glade Run Creek was 14 degrees Celsius. For my water research question, the answer is yes, the water temperature of Glade Run Creek is healthy. According to waterresearch.net, the temperature of a warm water creek should not exceed 89 degrees Fahrenheit. The water temperature of Glade Run Creek was 57 degrees Fahrenheit, so it was very healthy. Mayflies. My procedure for my question about mayflies was to use 2 different websites to learn about a mayfly's life cycle. Fieldwork results. During the week of October 6th, a mayfly habitat was found in a small creek area by the road. It was small, shallow, dark, and had many rocks. Summary. For my question about mayflies, I learned that according to Britannica Encyclopedia, there are 4 stages in a mayfly's life cycle. Egg, which are laid underwater. Nymph, which can be as short as 2 weeks or as long as 2 years. The subimago and the imago stages are very short and are considered the adult stages. Salamanders. My procedure for salamanders was to use 2 different websites to learn about the different types of salamanders in Pennsylvania, then use the CCAP to identify salamanders. Fieldwork results. During the week of October 6th, a salamander habitat was also found in a small creek area near the stone wall by the road. It was rocky, damp, mossy, and shallow. Summary. For my question about salamanders, I learned that there are 22 species in Pennsylvania, that the mud puppy salamander and the mountain dusky salamander are very common in Allegheny County. Their habitats are very damp since all salamanders need moisture to survive. From what I observed here on the middle school campus, a small stream located behind the 7th and 8th grade soccer field is a perfect salamander habitat since it is moist and has plenty of rocks for salamanders to hide under. Trees. My procedure for my question about trees was to explore the middle school campus to find lots of trees and identify them using the Seek app. Then use a website to further investigate different types of trees found here on campus. Fieldwork results. During the week of October 6th, a red maple tree was found on the hillside and it was very pretty with vibrant colored leaves. Also during the week of October 6th, a pine tree was found near the road and it was huge, dark green, and really pretty. Summary. For my question about trees, I learned, using the Seek app, that the middle school is a mostly coniferous forest. I identified 3 different types of trees: the red pine, the red maple, and the hemlock. They are very big and healthy, and I learned that according to the DCNR, many animals burrow in the trees like birds and turkeys. Over here to the side, I have a picture of a maple tree right here, a picture of what looks like hemlock trees, more hemlock trees right here, the big maple tree on the hillside I was talking about, and another big maple tree near the entrance of the school.